Welcome back to 108 Contemporary. I'm Laurel Ryan, and I'm going to show you how to use a storage container with a flat bottom and your phone flashlight to make a DIY light box for pattern transfer. I've already stretched my fabric over the hoop. I've already cut out my pattern. I cut it out just, I don't know, for my sake. You don't have to. And I have taken the pin from my embroidery kit. I'm going to pin the fabric to the pattern, or the pattern to the fabric, whichever one, so that it doesn't move around while I am tracing the pattern. All right, so I have the pattern side down, and this is the side where I'm going to transfer. Grab my pencil, and now, a 4-step process. Step 1, phone flashlight on. Step 2, flashlight pointing towards the ceiling. Step 3, place your flat-bottomed storage container on top of your phone. Step 4, place your pinned pattern and fabric on top of the light box. I guess step 5 is simply to trace your pattern. This makes it a lot easier to see the pattern through this darker fabric and just gives me the confidence that I'm making an accurate marking when I start embroidering.